I want to give you guys a warning for the short term in regards to the Shiba Inu price. And I've been doing a lot of content lately reminding you guys that considering that Shiba Inu is the second largest meme coin in the entire asset class that is cryptocurrency, I'm bullish on it. I think it's going to have gains ahead. But those of you guys looking for dollar cost averaging opportunities, we are certainly at one right now. And we could potentially go a little bit lower. I want to look at our zones to the downside, to the upside, because I do believe that very soon, and within a few potential hours, we may be seeing a breakout to the upside or a breakdown to the downside from our total market cap, which is obviously going to move Shiba Inu one way or another. So let's discuss it in this video. Welcome back to all you Shiba Inu holders and traders out there. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel. This is the Crypto Report. I am Crypto Kip. And Shiba Inu is actually breaking down right now versus the dollar from kind of this diagonal trend line that I had. Now, on the daily time frame, this is starting to kind of round out a little bit. Perhaps it wants to come back up. It kind of looks like it's rounding out. If I go down to the 4-hourly time frame, it's really flattening out here, and it looks actually a lot weaker on the 4-hourly time frame. So the Shiba Inu chart right now is kind of hard to read. The good news about the price level that we're right now sitting at for Shiba Inu, and why I say it could be a good accumulation opportunity, is because if I just draw this horizontal trend line here, we're sitting at it here. We resisted off of it right here. We had a little bit of a bounce, a breakthrough, back down, resistance, breakthrough, retest. Now we're bouncing off this level again. This is a floor of sorts. We had a breakthrough and a bounce here, a test there, a test there. This is a strong level of support for Shiba Inu. So what I am actually expecting right now is this is actually probably a decent long opportunity for Shiba Inu. It is breaking below this blue horizontal line, but on this kind of bigger area of just what the zone is we've rejected off of and sat and found support off of, horizontally speaking, guys, we are actually holding on to this level fine. Give or take a few fractions of a penny right now. So what really comes next for Shiba Inu? Probably a bounce to the upside. But what are our kind of warning signs? What are our key catalysts? Here's our total market cap right now, folks. And take a peek at this. We've kind of got this this wedge forming over here that I wanted to show you guys on the 4-hourly time frame for total market cap. If I go out to the daily time frame here, you can actually really start to see how. Let me even get rid of these lines. Look at how this is turning into like a arrow, almost pointing this way. This is all consolidated. It's pinching down. The price is pinching down. Let me get my, little wedge back in. You can see how this is really coiling up in this area, slowly scooping up. And again, you look at Shiba Inu right now, and I go back to the daily time frame. It kind of looks like it's rounding out. Like I said, it kind of looks like it's rounding out right now. It kind of is hinting that it wants to come back up. Our total market cap is kind of creeping upward, pinching tighter and tighter in this wedge. So how soon until we get a breakout? Well, if I go out into the 4-hourly candles, what you can see is this is getting closer and closer to the point of this wedge. And, hypothetically, if this wedge plays out in any capacity, you look at when the edge of this wedge is, and right now it's January 26th right now. We could see just going out one more 4-hourly candle, another 4-hourly candle. That's 8 hours. That's 12 hours. That's 16 hours. That's 20 hours. That's 24 hours. One day is basically right at the point of this. A little over one day would be the very point of this level. I would expect in the next, honestly, 4 to 10 hours for us to probably be getting a breakout. And now, when you really start thinking about it, okay, so how soon until the total market cap gets a significant move? Well, guess what, guys? In 6 hours, we have a weekly candle close. And on a weekly candle close for crypto, typically that's going to cause quite a bit of volatility. Now, we are kind of scooping up for our total market cap. One thing I've been telling you guys about, and I've had this little Nike swoosh pattern drawn out for a while, I've been expecting a bounce off this $3 trillion level, and we are really getting that Nike swoosh pattern to play out beautifully. Just look at how this overlies beautifully. I've had this thing, a beautiful bullish retest off the previous high for total market cap. So what am I telling you guys here? Though you are seeing Shiba Inu have a breakdown in a bearish kind of visual mindset, right? Looking at it kind of breaking through this diagonal resistance. Really, it's kind of already broken through this a while ago. If you wanted to kind of look at it here, we kind of had this breakthrough here and came back above, came back down below. And now what we're really doing, to kind of put this blue line away, forget about it for now. On the horizontal level, guys, we're getting a nice bounce here. And so while you think that it might be looking like it's breaking down, it is breaking down. I think these are decent accumulation levels. Now, is there a chance that this total market cap, instead of keeping its bullish momentum on these weekly candles, turns the other way? There's absolutely a chance that it turns the other way. Again, in just a few short hours, we're going to have our answers. And if this wedge kind of breaks down, well, guys, we could easily see this market cap come back to 3.18 trillion. But I would lean on a bullish bias right now, saying our momentum's headed the right way. Our news is headed the right way. We have a pro-crypto administration in the U.S. now. Things are feeling pretty good. I think we're going to get a move to the upside, and I wouldn't be surprised if very, very quickly over the next week, even week or 2 weeks, we saw the total market cap go to almost $4 trillion. So what does this mean for Shiba Inu? If you are getting a bullish bounce off of this trend line for SHIB, there's a real world where if our total market cap breaks back out to the upside, Shiba Inu could very quickly be moving back up to the top of this resistance, which is a 56% move from here. In a bull market, what I do expect to happen in our true altcoin season bull market portion of the cycle, I expect Shiba Inu to break past these previous peaks that it's kind of had here versus the dollar. And we've got our 2021 highs. We still have not seen that surpassed. We hit resistance here. We got close to it here. I think we're going to have another struggle, 50% gain from now at this 40345 level. But if we do break through it, what I would expect to see, similar to kind of what we've seen with actually Dogecoin, is it to break through, have a bullish retest, and then a move to the upside and take a new cycle high. Shiba Inu had a very nice bull market last cycle. If you're sitting here waiting for a 100x or a 50x with Shiba Inu, I don't think that's realistic. But I do think that considering that the total market cap is at 3 trillion, it might go to 10 trillion. Shiba Inu is still quite a ways away from its previous high. I think it's going to break through its previous high. I think that Shiba Inu could still potentially 10x in this bull market, as I've been telling you guys for a while. In the short term, I do think this is probably a better time for a long than a short. That's my personal opinion. And right now, it does look like Shiba Inu is sitting at a beautiful level for a potential opening for a long trade, especially with this total market cap kind of consolidating here. But do set your stop losses, because if the volatility takes us the wrong way, obviously we could get more discounts for Shiba Inu potentially. I do have a bullish bias right now, though, so I want to share it with you guys in this video. If you want to trade Shiba Inu, you can sign up for Blowfin in the link in the description down below, up to a $5,000 deposit bonus when you sign up using our link. 15% discount on trading fees for life. And if you're looking for a place to get into crypto from your bank, into crypto for the first time, or you're looking for a new exchange, crypto.com is another option for you. That's where I go from my bank into crypto as I'm onboarding. And then from there, if I want to do leverage trading, I can move my funds from crypto.com into a Blowfin to kind of dabble with some trading, take profit back into crypto.com. I could use my Visa card for crypto.com when I'm actually taking my profits into cash, get cash back on my groceries using my Visa cards for crypto.com. Man, there's so many different things you can do in crypto. So I got a couple links for you to test out some of the different crypto products out there if you want to check it out. I'm bullish on Shiba Inu, guys. Hang in there for all you Shiba Inu holders and traders out there. I think you got a nice opportunity. Do you agree? Do you disagree with me right now on the potential long for SHIB? I'm very curious what your thoughts are in the comments down below. Let me know, guys. Nothing I say is financial advice. Please do your own research. Smash a like. Subscribe to the channel. I got 2 videos here if you want to check them out, guys. DCA HODL. See you in the next one, y'all. Peace.